something is very wrong. Sometimes it's just CSS, sometimes something is very wrong. If your WordPress admin panel is broken, call your web developer. Don't try to fix it on your own. If you don't have one, call your web hosting company. Some of them do have services that can help you fix that. Obviously, any web development company and agency will be able to help you, but you have to make sure that you have a backup of your website. So go make sure that your website backup is in your hands, that it's not floating somewhere that you don't know where it is. Website backups are crucial. If anything happens, your website suddenly is not accessible, well, you have a backup and you can either restart it on the same server, a different one, or give it to somebody to do it for you. So make sure you have a backup. WordPress admin panel could stop working from something very simple, like I said before, a CSS file is not rendering properly, or your caching is not working. Well, it could be anything.